สวัสดีทุกคนมื้อนี้เราอยู่ที่ถ้ำปูคำแล้วเราจะมาเฮ็ดหยังมื้อนี้ก็ตามเคยเนาะ2เราก็คือพาทุกคนมาฝึกภาษาอังกฤษแต่ละในวิดีโอผ่านมาพวกเราได้พาทุกคนไปฝึกภาษาอังกฤษอยู่ที่หลายๆสถานที่ในตัวเมืองแต่มื้อนี้จะเอาแบบใหม่ก็คือทุกคนจะมาฝึกภาษาอังกฤษอยู่ที่ถ้ำนั่นเองเบิ่งว่าจะเป็นจังได๋นั่นมีฝรั่งหลายๆฉะนั้นบ่ต้องรอช้าเราฝึกนํกันเลย let's go hello so what's your name
My name is Leonard
yeah I'm Sang so I'm from Laos and you where you from
from Holland.
Holland.
Amsterdam.
Yeah. So how long have you been here in Bangkok?
4 days.
4 days. So here you are in the cave, right? We call Pok Kam Cave. So do you have like this one in your country?
Caves? No.
Yeah, no.
We have very small,
So
flat country.
Yeah. What do you think about this cave?
It's really beautiful.
Yeah.
I went to there and it's really dark.
Very nice. Okay. So how did you feel after you up the stairs? Yeah, you up to the mountain here. Are you tired?
It's a
after
bit
that?
tired, yeah, to go up.
Are you
Long
good
hike.
at climbing?
Yeah, I like hiking. Yeah.
So have you been up to that viewpoint? We call Pangan viewpoint.
No, I
or
want to
that-
go next.
Next.
Yeah.
So okay. So do you have any recommends for last student to practice their English?
To practice English.
Yeah.
I think you should just talk to people like to me and
Yeah.
people on the street.
Yeah.
Just practicing.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the way I'm using to practice my English.
Yeah.
That's okay. Thank you. So welcome to Laos. Welcome to
Yeah.
Bang Anyway. Okay. So what do you think about
Thank you.
Bang Vieng in general?
Van Vieng?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. It's a bit a lot of party.
Yeah. Is this your first time here?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
First time Laos.
So would you like to come here again?
Yeah, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe in like wet season, because there's more kayaking.
Yeah. So yeah, have you enjoyed your time here? Okay, have a good day for today.
Thank you,
Yeah,
you
thank
too.
you. Okay, we are going to inside now. Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah,
No,
thank
it's
you.
okay.
Yeah.